Okay, welcome to Creative Design and Supply. Today we are going to be going over Siser Twinkle. There is similarities to the glitter, but this one, I prefer it over the regular glitter because it has a shine, it's smooth, it's also thinner than the glitter, and it has like a glossy laminate. A big thing that we like to, or I like to do is baby onesies. You don't want to put glitter on them because of their, so now you can put this on here and it's smooth. Okay, this glossy laminate, it has reflective properties in it. Okay, the sheets are $5. They're 12 by 20. And one of the most popular ones is the Siser Twinkle Rainbow, or the Rainbow Twinkle rather. Okay, so on the cut settings, I just upped my blade on silhouette, upped it 1 on the glitter setting. So I had it on the glitter setting, but I moved my blade, I +1 on my blade. Always you want to test, you want to do your test button on your silhouette to try something out before, especially if you've never cut it before. But we are going to cut this, and we are going to do a knockout method. The reason why we are going to do a knockout method is because this is not recommended to be layered. So I'm going to show you how you can get that layered effect, but it's going to be a knockout to where all of it's on the shirt and it's going to be secure and you can wash and dry it and it will stay. Heat settings 305 for 15 seconds. You peel warm. Alright, let me move this stuff out of the way and we'll go to the computer and I will show you how to do the knockout method on the silhouette. So we are going to use Twinkle, Siser's Twinkle, and because it is not recommended to layer, we are going to do a knockout method, and I'm going to show you just a quick little, this is if you make up your own, this is just for the video. I will go into depth on knockouts in another video. So what we are going to do, we're going to come over here. I am going to do love, okay? And I'm actually, about 8. Okay. Then I'm going to go over here and I am going to change the font. Impact is the best, which you could see that I've already used it once before. Okay, so it changed the size a little bit. So I'm going to drag it back down. See, it's actually going to look better if I do 8.5. How about that? Okay. Then I'm going to have a shape that I'm going to knock out in here. So since I'm using Silhouette Studio Business Edition, I get a lot of little designs that I can actually just put on there. So, whoops, there we go. Okay, so let me stand this one back up straight. All right, and we are going to move this one over here. Matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and color these so you can see the difference. So let's go ahead and we're going to come over here and we are going to color them. And I will show you how we are going to cut by color. Let's make this one blue. Okay, I'm going to make this one red. Okay, this one, because I drew this out, it's actually going to be in the front of this whenever I slide it over. Okay, if you make an image and it does not, you can right click and you can bring to front or send to back. Okay. All right, so I am going to bring this right over here and I am going to So okay, we are just going to go ahead and even it right through there. Okay, so I have both of these. I'm going to select both. I'm going to right click and I'm going to duplicate, or you can control arrow down. Okay, so I can press control down. Okay, that gives me another one. All right, so now I have my original, and I'm going to need to use both of these. Right now, I am going to, and it doesn't matter which way you go, but when you select both, you're going to come over here to the modify. And I like to, whenever I do that, I'm going to subtract the letters. Okay. When I do that, they are all in their own little boxes. Okay. So they are separate. Well, if I, okay. So I'm going to control Z and it goes back. So I need to select these and group them. Right click, and I'm going to group those. Okay. Now I'm going to slide over. I am going to select all. And then on this one, I will crop to have my heart. Okay. You see all the boxes because these are all separate. Okay. So I am going to select them all, right click, and I am going to group those. Okay. So now I have my knot. Okay. So here, since I've already done this, and we're doing heat transfer, I need to flip it horizontally. Let me do that one. Flip horizontal. Okay. Now I'm going to take you a step further. Whenever there's a lot of customers that ask me about how I cut by color. Okay. So right here you have simple, then you have line, then you have fill, okay, and then you would have the layers. We are going to use the fill today because I am going to, matter of fact, if I drag this over here with both of these are highlighted, they would cut both of them. But I just need to cut the love out first. So since the letters love is blue, I'm going to unclick the red. I can leave this right here and it will not cut it. Okay, and then whenever I get ready to cut this, of course, I will move this over, slide this up, so that way I can cut my red. All right, I'm going to go ahead and cut these and we will flip the video back. Okay, so now that we have ours cut out, okay, I'm going to show you on this shirt right here. So, just one moment. I'm going to move y'all over there in just a minute. There is a okay. I am trying something because we are going to use the pressing pillow because I want everything to lay flat and to be on here smooth. And I will let you know, when you're doing a knockout, it's always good to do the center of your knockout. I have found, because if not, you have problems. This is the way that I like to do it. You can try either or, let me know how it works. But this is the way that I have learned that I do not have to cut. And let's see. Love our slide out heat presses that we have. No more burning our hands. Okay. So since this has a pressing property of 305 for 15 seconds, and I'm going to do 2, I'm going to go around 7 seconds on this press, around 5 to 7, so I don't overheat it. Okay. Alright. And this is a warm peel, so I'm going to slide this out. Okay. Alright, so this gives me the opportunity to put this in here so it does not overlap. Now that we have everything lined up, we're going to go ahead and give it a press. And I'm actually going to let this cool a little bit before I pull and try to stretch it, because I don't want to move those two pieces apart. I want it to not be scalding hot to where I move it. Okay, looks amazing. Okay, now I have a little bit of lines from my carrier sheet, so I'm going to press it really quick to soften that up, so that way it doesn't have harsh lines in it. Okay, on my, one more time, just a quick little press. Okay. This turned out so cute. Let me go ahead and put you in focus. Shiny. It's a lot thinner than glitter. It's not going to feel thick after it's pressed. Alright. Alright, like and subscribe, and let me know if there's any other videos that you're looking for. Hope you like this.